Anirudh, a passionate and determined aspiring immigrant, stands at the threshold of his life-changing journey. With unwavering resolve, he envisions achieving an exceptional 8.5 band score in his upcoming IELTS exam. A skilled professional with dreams of settling in a new land, Anirudh confronts the intricacies of IELTS preparation while managing the responsibilities of his current job and family obligations. In the midst of this whirlwind, Anirudh's emotions. Nights turn into study sessions, where he meticulously practices writing essays and hones his speaking prowess. Yet, the challenge of grasping accents in the listening section and expressing his thoughts fluently during the speaking test tugs at his self-assurance. With fluent force of Bonita IELTS, his ambition ignited, Anirudh sets forth on his IELTS journey with a burning aspiration to attain an impressive 8.5 band score. His vision of a new life and promising opportunities drives his initial optimism with fluent force of Bonita IELTS. Challenges emerge. As weeks unfold, Anirudh confronts the real-world complexities. Balancing his work, family duties, and IELTS preparation presents formidable challenges, evoking a sense of urgency and mild trepidation. Determined persistence for a week. Anirudh's determination shines through. He navigates obstacles with sheer persistence, seeking guidance, enhancing his skills, and embracing a rigorous routine that pushes him beyond his comfort zone. Bouts of uncertainty. Amidst the preparation journey, Anirudh experiences fleeting moments of uncertainty. Fears of falling short of his target band score cast shadows, accompanied by sporadic frustrations that he battles valiantly. The turning point, a pivotal moment arrives. Anirudh's mock test scores reflect incremental progress. This pivotal realization kindles his motivation, reinforcing his belief that he can surmount the exam's challenges. Confidence blossoms. As the exam date draws near, Anirudh's confidence flourishes. He is better equipped to tackle diverse question formats and communicates more fluently, indicating his substantial growth. Anticipation and nerves. With the day of reckoning looming, a mix of anticipation and nervous excitement envelops Anirudh. His dedication is about to be tested, igniting a fervor that propels him forward. On the morning of the exam, Anirudh strides into the examination hall, his determination palpable. He reflects on his journey, the sacrifices made, and the strides taken. As he engages with the test, a quiet confidence envelops him. He conquers the listening section with adeptness, entangling accents effortlessly, and responds eloquently during the speaking test. Writing tasks flow seamlessly, and his thoughts materialize into coherent essays. With each section completed, Anirudh's sense of accomplishment swells. As the IELTS results are unveiled, Anirudh's heartbeat quickens. A profound moment arrives when he gazes upon his score, an impressive 8.5. A mix of pride and gratitude wells up within him. Tears of achievement form in his eyes as he comprehends that his persistence, dedication, and resilience have not only secured an exceptional score but have also paved the way for his migration dreams to Canada. The future beckons with opportunities for professional growth, personal fulfillment, and a fresh start in a new land, all achieved through Anirudh's unyielding pursuit of that coveted 8.5 band score.